Susan Ryder, and I lived on this beautiful property here in beautiful Crestone, Colorado for about 3 years now, and I wanted to do this video because I am so passionate about soil building. And when I moved here and I saw this spot, because it's pretty much the first thing you see when you drive into Crestone, I really wanted to make it beautiful, but I didn't have a lot of money, so I kind of did it cheap. It was during the pandemic, and what I did was I went in front of the bank and the post office, and nobody was taking care of the gardens then, and I just cut everything down, put them in bags, brought them over here, and just broke everything apart and spread it to seeds. And right behind me here, I planted a bunch of daffodils first thing, but through the years, every fall and every spring, I just put a layer of organic matter, whatever I could get my hands on, pretty cheap. Like I said, I just built it up. It's the third year, it's kind of in its prime. The daffodils are blooming beautifully right now, and I just thought, you know, it would just be a great thing to do because it's the first thing you see when you come into Crestone, and it's the middle of April and nothing else is green, so that was my intention, was just to beautify this beautiful corner. Chris, would you like to take a little walk around? Besides daffodils, there's a lot of flax in here and catmint, and like I said, these came up because I just spread the seeds out from guerrilla gardening in front of the post office and bank. Those were the first daffodils to come up, and we strategically placed them to get a little bling of color here and there. Well, I just wanted to encourage anyone that doesn't think they can grow a garden or grow anything here in the kind of high deserts of Crestone, that it's, you know, it's easy. You just have to have a lot of patience, and like I said, you build the soil with organic matter, you build it with your chicken poop or little twigs or whatever it takes to kind of hold in the water. You want it, anytime it rains, you want it to be like a little sponge that gets all the water that it can. And we water this yard pretty lightly. Everything we plant here is low water pollinators. So take a look every time you drive by. It's always changing. And we started, like I said, basically with dirt that was just like this just a few years ago. So welcome to Crestone, and enjoy the gardening season. It's short, but it's worth it.